sits each.
That is so cool.
Dancers, can you answer a question for me? Does it help you the most if we are facing the same as you, or if we're facing you?
Facing you.
So it's over here.
Oh, stop. You want to go to the car?
So you want us to face you to help learn the names. Does that work the best? Okay. You're right in between. So we're going to start counting right away with the music. You've got to concentrate. 1, 2, 'Nice, and then we're going to watch the